unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A beeping smoke detector usually means the battery is low. Replace it with a fresh 9-volt battery to stop the noise quickly. If the beeping continues, press and hold the test button for 15 to 20 seconds to reset it. Regular cleaning also helps prevent false alarms. If it still beeps, consider replacing the entire unit to stay safe.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.